Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi! Hi!
Guess what? We have a clothing haul.
For me and Daddy.
No, just for him. It's back to school.
I love the America pants. We'll start with that.
Okay. This we got at Rainbowshops. This one's his favorite. This was actually marked down before 4th of July to $5.
This is what it looks like.
They're
America.
size 7.
For school.
They might be a little too big.
Here,
really liked it. You can wear it with a belt.
They're a bit bigger than these, but they fit.
Okay. We also got a red pair with a belt.
Handsome.
Got these at Walmart.
Just like one of mine.
Khaki, approved for school. This was Wonder Nation. All these are pretty much size 7. We got these at a yard sale. These are Lee's.
What are these?
It's just a brand. And they tighten on the sides, so.
Yeah. They are handsome also. Every single thing I get is handsome.
Nice made. Okay, and these we got at Target, and Target surprised me. These are from Cat and Jack, I think. Yeah, Cat and Jack. These are all size 6 and 7. You can show all the shorts, and I think I got a dark navy blue as well. But these are the ones that he got. You can show them. Okay, go ahead and show them.
Look at this one.
You got green. It's really nice.
And I got this one.
The black.
This one.
A nice blue.
Like blue. And this is grayish.
Yeah, it's like a khaki color. And they have like a drawstring, which doesn't really affect it because it has also stretch. Okay, and he got these. This is actually hairy because the cat laid on it while we were getting it ready for the
beach.
Anyway, so it's got sunsets or sunrises, palm trees.
And it also got a surfboard.
Surfboards. So they're white and orange and blue. Good for Florida Gators.
Yeah, I got a Florida Gator shirt.
And all of these are from Cat and Jack. So they're from Target. And they were really affordable. I was very surprised. And they're a good quality material, which I was also very surprised by. It's not the cheap, thin... It's not what?
What's Cat and Jack?
It's a brand at Target. So he got this one.
Camouflage.
Love camo. And
I've also got a silly face, glow-in-the-dark astronaut sitting on the moon reading a book.
Yep.
Now we got this one. A rattlesnake will kill you, and this is a rattlesnake. It's a banana shark. Silliest shark ever.
So it's more like a shark nana.
Sharnana is what you call it.
This is a subway map of a dinosaur's head.
A dinosaur's skull.
Yes. Very nice. You have very nice clothes, Raphael.
Oh, it fell off.
Here, let me put it on.
Here, I'll read it before I show it.
Okay.
What's 3?
Always.
Always 3 steps ahead. And you got 3 steps back, 2 steps back, and 3 steps ahead.
Okay, then.
Here is a cat wearing glasses.
It's a lion.
Lion cat.
With braces and red glasses, like Sally Jesse Raphael.
Sally Jesse Raphael?
Yes, she's a talk show host.
That's
Many
funny.
years ago. This has texture on it.
It's Connect Dinosaur. You
Yeah.
connect it.
It's like puff paint dinosaur asteroid thing.
Asteroid.
This one says, proud being me.
That's the last one.
Is it the last one? Nope.
Oh.
Oh, and Jana sent Raphael 10 shirts. At least 10 shirts. And this is one of them, and he's been wearing it. Very nice dress shirt. Red, white, and blue.
Creative, kind, and inspired.
And this is like Raphael. He's creative, he's kind, and he is inspired. And
it's an American bicycle.
that's right, America. So it's a little big,
But I have not been wearing it for my bike rides.
no.
I only did one in America.
Yeah, he's only been on one bike ride in America so far. One real bike ride. He went downhill on his new bike, his Rorange bike. So this one's a size 8, so he'll probably have to grow into this one. Most likely wear it
probably
soon.
The second bike ride.
So this was your clothing haul, and you're going to go to school with a bunch of clothes and look really good and feel good.
I'm gonna wear that every school day.
All of these clothes. And on his channel, he is going to do a full week of outfits of the day. What he wore to school on his first week of school, right? Yes, and his channel is called
Fully Fun.
Yes, and that'll be linked below. And you can go subscribe to him. And he makes videos at least once a week, hopefully.
1 week, and then a video.
Yep. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Bye. I'll turn you off.
Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.